For everyone here with an Instant Pot, here is a simple recipe for a masala dal, chana dal or yellow split peas. So let's get started. So to make this, you're gonna need an Instant Pot and some chana dal over here, or your yellow split peas. So that's what it should look like. These are yellow split peas and they are absolutely delicious. So after you've rinsed it, just add it into the Instant Pot. The ratio of lentils to water would be 1:4. Now add a bit of turmeric. That's gonna help color the dal as well as flavor it. We'll also add a bit of salt at this point as well. The salt will help to really cook down those lentils and make them soft. Alright, lid on. Make sure that the Instant Pot is in sealing mode and then hit the pressure cook setting for 12 minutes. So it's a normal heat and high pressure. So once that beep goes off, you can either sit back and relax if you're just making a plain dal, or if you want to make like a masala dal tomato tadka, follow along as I start prepping some of those ingredients. So as soon as the valve of the Instant Pot has gone down, as indicated by this little valve here, open the Instant Pot and let's see how it looks. Let's grab a ladleful and give it a quick mix first and take a look at that consistency. That's just perfect. And personally, I like a dal that's both thick and watery. So like just in the middle. I don't like it when it's too thick, like dal makhani, or too thin, like really watery. If you want a more thicker dal, then change the Instant Pot to saute mode and saute on the low setting for however long it takes while stirring every 5-6 minutes to get to the consistency you like. If you like it more watery, add more water. But make sure after you've added the water that you simmer it for a few minutes just so all the flavors can really combine together. So in case you're making a plain dal, you would do a tadka of ghee, hing and cumin seeds, and you can adjust the seasoning prior to putting your tadka. Tadka is also known as tempering. And when we temper the dal or put the tadka in it, we're basically finishing off the cooking process. Cumin, hing and ghee are essential when it comes to making Indian style lentils, and it's necessary to really complete the dish. So my pan is heating up, so let's go to our pan and see how to make the masala dal tadka. Heating this on kind of a high flame, and let's add in a good amount of ghee. This should be about 2 to 3 tablespoons. We're going to be adding some cumin seeds and hing, which in English is asafoetida. Now apart from that, we're gonna have some chopped onions, chunks of garlic just sliced really thin, and green chilies. Now as soon as you add the chilies, be careful because there are seeds in there if you haven't de-seeded them, and they do have a chance to pop out at you. So just stir occasionally and keep a lookout for those seeds. We almost want to slightly char or brown the onions and the chilies and the garlic. It's going to add an immense amount of flavor in our final dish. And if some of you are a bit cautious about using the big slices of garlic, don't worry about it. It's going to be delicious. When it's fried in the ghee like that and then added into our dal, it has completely cooked out the rawness or the raw heat that you taste from raw garlic, and it's gonna literally melt in your mouth and really give you an awesome flavor. So as you can see here, our onions and garlic are turning a bit golden brown, and this is a great time to add in tomatoes. Give this a mix. And now add in a bit of garam masala, some red chili powder, and ground coriander. Season with some salt. Give it a quick mix. It absolutely smells incredible right now. We don't want to cook this too much, so within a few seconds, this is ready to go in our dal. The tomatoes have completely melted. Alright, let's take it to the dal. Now as soon as the tadka is ready, add it to your dal. Just like that. Give it a quick mix. The color changed immediately and it already looks more exciting, more delicious. It needs just a tiny bit of salt. And the final touch to really finish this dal is to add in a bit of cilantro or chopped coriander. This is just dal and it's really been lifted, exciting, and it's gonna uplift any meal you serve this with. So usually in Indian culture, dal is served along with either rice and or roti along with some sort of curry. It could be vegetarian curry or non-vegetarian curry, but the dal really helps as an intermediary to combine the flavors from the rice and the sabji, and it really completes the meal. So you really want that dal that's going to complete the meal to be full of flavor and immensely delicious. Today I'm going to keep this meal very simple, just going to have it with some plain rice, and it's going to be amazing since the dal is so full of flavor. But let me know how you guys like to have dal. Are you going to have it with sabji, roti, some sort of curry? Let me know in the comments down below, and if there's something that's one of my favorites from the comments, I'll be sure to highlight that. If you want more awesome videos about the Instant Pot, please let me know in the comments down below, or you can just hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out my next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.